Center for Disaster Management Study of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, after taking the blessings of Honorable Vice Chairman of National Disaster Management Authority, General Vij, best wishes of CEO NSDI, General Shiv Kumar, and Bhisham Pitama of GIS industry, Dr. M.P. Narayanan, and a budding scientist, Shri Ravi Gupta, has designed this convention to support the safety and security mission of police, paramilitary forces, and defense forces. Today, the pride of our nation lies in security of coming Commonwealth Games 2010, where the integrated geospatial security plan is the requirement. And I feel proud to state that our students of MBA Disaster Management, of Border Security Force, CISF, CRPF, Delhi Police, CBI, Ministry of Home Affairs, and Military Survey of India is going to play very important role. Geospatial security plan of Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, where the opening and closing ceremony of Commonwealth Games will be there, is in the process of final stage and will be submitted to Delhi Police very soon. Similarly, the GIS-based fire management plan of Delhi, where Director Fire Officer of Delhi Fire Services and both the Chief Fire Officer, who are the research scholar of MBA Disaster Management, is working on it, and the GIS-based plan is also going to be submitted to Delhi government very soon. Similarly, the senior most 15 officers from Delhi government, central government, as well as private hospitals, they are working on for the mass casualties and emergency planning during Commonwealth Games. Similarly, sir, we have also started work on the GIS-based security management plan for the Naxal affected area, and we are in constant touch with the Ministry of Home Affairs and the other paramilitary forces. I feel proud and would like to bring kind notice of our Honorable Chief Guest and Member NDMA, Dr. Bhattacharya, that about 100 officers have already passed out this course, and another 100 officers is in the process, and they will be also released as disaster manager very soon. So Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is making a dedicated team, a brigade of disaster managers for the Indian government as well as the Delhi government. And I use this platform with due permission of our chief guest to invite other officers also to join this Center for Disaster Management for R&D in the Geospatial Security Management Plan for coming Commonwealth Games. Thank you very much.